All right, so on the parasympathetic side, at the end organ again, parasympathetic system uses acetylcholine as its neurotransmitter, very same molecule that skeletal muscle uses, right? The body is great at this, using the same molecule for different things in different places. Here we have two different receptor types in the parasympathetic division. We have nicotinic receptors and muscarinic receptors. They get their name from toxins that activate them. Nicotinic receptors are activated by nicotine. Muscarinic receptors are activated by muscarine. Okay, that's just where they got their name. It has really nothing to do with how we practice medicine or physiology, but that's how they got their name. Okay, so the nicotinic receptors, highlight this middle part, okay? The nicotinic receptors are found at the ganglionic neurons of both divisions. So both sympathetic and parasympathetic divisions have acetylcholine nicotinic receptors in the ganglia. All right? So if we go back to one of our pictures, whoop, I'm going forward. All right, so that means here at the ganglia, nicotinic receptors with acetylcholine as the neurotransmitter. Ganglia, nicotinic receptors, acetylcholine as the neurotransmitter. All right, so that means that for the sympathetic nervous system, the ganglionic neurotransmitter is acetylcholine. The end organ neurotransmitter is norepi, right? So that's sympathetic. In the parasympathetic, it's acetylcholine at both places, but the receptors are different. Okay, so nicotinic receptors are found at the ganglia. Muscarinic receptors are found at the effector site for the parasympathetic division. So, and their activation causes stimulation, right? So here's acetylcholine binding to our muscarinic receptor. That activates the G protein. Remember G protein linked systems from biochemistry. G protein, once it's activated, it's going to create second messengers, which are then going to make the cell do something, right? So we'll activate enzymes, we'll turn on metabolic effects.